everyone, welcome back to my channel. Me, Miss Makeup. So let's go to the next question. So what cosmetic brand have you always wanted to try but still haven't? Actually, there's a lot of brands lately that I want to try but I didn't. Morphe. I didn't try anything from Morphe yet, but I'm waiting for new palettes to come. So I am waiting. But otherwise, I guess Hourglass. I really want to try their highlighter. Yeah. What else? I guess that's it. There's a lot of brands actually. I want to try some of the XO Beauty. I really want to try them, especially the brushes. As you know, I'm brush nut, so I really want to try their brushes. So what else? This is what I have in my mind right now. So yeah, this is for this question. So let's go to the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.